Tired of losing your valuables? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution to keep track of everything that matters. In this review, we're diving deep into why these Bluetooth trackers are quickly becoming an essential gadget for 2025. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding feature, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with exact distance and direction. Imagine, no more frantic searches. Your iPhone literally points the way to your keys, wallet, or backpack, even if it's under a couch cushion. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple, a testament to Apple's design. Just one tap on your iPhone, and it's paired and ready to go. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, you don't have to worry about a little rain or a dusty adventure damaging your tracker. If you're looking for the best way to secure your items and avoid losing them, the AirTag 4-pack is an amazing value. Check out the Amazon link in the description for current pricing. It seamlessly integrates with your Apple devices, becoming an invisible guardian always working in the background to bring peace of mind. From busy travelers to everyday users, these smart trackers offer unparalleled accuracy and ease of use, making lost items a thing of the past. Don't miss out on this game-changing technology. Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today and experience true peace of mind.